SpaceX, led by the visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, is renowned for its ambitious goals and groundbreaking innovations in the field of space exploration. The company has set its sights on making space travel not just a possibility, but a reality for future generations. The company continuously pushes the boundaries of space technology, striving to make space travel more affordable and accessible. By reducing the cost of launching payloads into space, SpaceX aims to open up new opportunities for scientific research, commercial ventures, and even tourism. One of SpaceX's most ambitious projects is Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel. This next-generation spacecraft is envisioned to carry humans to Mars and beyond, marking a new era in human space exploration. Starship represents a significant step towards revolutionizing space exploration and enabling humanity to become a multi-planetary species. Its design includes advanced features such as a heat shield for re-entry, large cargo capacity, and the ability to refuel in space. Starship's development is a continuous process of innovation and refinement. Engineers and scientists at SpaceX are constantly working to improve the spacecraft's performance, safety, and reliability. SpaceX adopts an iterative design philosophy, constantly testing, learning, and improving its technology. This approach allows the company to rapidly identify and address issues, leading to more robust and efficient spacecraft. This approach has led to numerous breakthroughs in rocketry and spacecraft design. Each successful test flight brings SpaceX one step closer to achieving its ultimate goal of making space travel routine and reliable. As SpaceX works towards making Starship fully operational, it encounters various engineering challenges. These challenges range from perfecting the spacecraft's propulsion systems to ensuring the safety of its crew and passengers. One such challenge lies in perfecting the hot staging system, a crucial aspect of Starship's flight profile. Hot staging involves igniting the next stage's engines before the previous stage has fully separated, which can significantly improve efficiency and performance. The dedication and ingenuity of SpaceX's team are key to overcoming these obstacles. Through relentless testing and innovation, they are paving the way for a future where space travel is as common as air travel today. With each milestone, SpaceX brings us closer to the dream of interplanetary travel. The journey to Mars and beyond is no longer a distant fantasy, but a tangible goal within our reach. Hot staging is a complex maneuver where the upper stage of a rocket ignites its engines while the lower stage is still firing. This technique is designed to maximize the efficiency and payload capacity of the rocket, which is crucial for ambitious missions like those undertaken by SpaceX's Starship. The process involves precise timing and coordination, as the upper stage must ignite at the exact moment to ensure a seamless transition and maintain the rocket's trajectory. By utilizing hot staging, SpaceX aims to push the boundaries of what is possible in space travel, allowing for larger payloads and more efficient launches. This is particularly important for the Starship, which is designed for long-duration missions to destinations like Mars. However, the initial design of the hot staging system presented significant challenges. SpaceX engineers had to address the issue of the close proximity of the two stages during separation. One major concern was the potential for exhaust plume impingement, where the hot gases from the upper stage's engines could interfere with the lower stage. This interference could lead to structural damage or even failure of the lower stage's engines, posing a significant risk to the mission's success. Ensuring the successful separation and reusability of both stages is a critical aspect of SpaceX's mission objectives. The ability to reuse rocket stages not only reduces costs, but also increases the frequency of launches. To overcome these challenges, SpaceX embarked on a mission to redesign and enhance the hot staging system. This involved extensive testing and iteration to develop a solution that would ensure the safety and reliability of the rocket during this critical phase of flight. SpaceX engineers devised innovative solutions to mitigate the risks associated with hot staging. One proposed enhancement involves adjusting the timing and trajectory of stage separation. By precisely controlling the separation sequence, SpaceX aims to minimize the interaction between the exhaust plumes of the two stages. Another proposed enhancement focuses on improving the heat shielding and thermal protection of the lower stage. Reinforcing the lower stage's structure with advanced materials can enhance its resistance to the heat and pressure generated during hot staging. These design modifications aim to ensure the safe and reliable separation of the stages, safeguarding their reusability. Section 4. Performance Boost. Impacts of the redesigned system. The enhancements to the hot staging system have significant implications for Starship's overall performance and reusability. The refined separation process is expected to reduce stress on the vehicle, potentially extending the lifespan of both stages. This increased reusability is crucial for SpaceX's goal of making space travel more cost-effective. Moreover, the improved hot staging system contributes to Starship's exceptional payload capacity. By maximizing the efficiency of stage separation, SpaceX can increase the amount of cargo and crew that Starship can transport to orbit and beyond. This enhanced performance is vital for supporting ambitious missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Section 5. Starbase Buzz, Other Developments in the Pipeline. While the hot staging redesign is a significant development, it's just one piece of the puzzle at SpaceX's Starbase in Texas. The facility is bustling with activity, and the engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. The facility is a hive of activity, with numerous other projects underway to support Starship's development and launch operations. From the construction of new infrastructure to the refinement of existing systems, every corner of Starbase is a testament to innovation and progress. One notable project involves the construction of massive launch towers. These towering structures are not just impressive feats of engineering, they are essential for the future of space travel. These towers are designed to facilitate the launch and landing of Starship, providing support and stability during these critical phases. They are equipped with advanced technology to ensure that each launch and landing is as smooth and safe as possible. The towers will also house fueling systems and other essential infrastructure for Starship's operations. This includes state-of-the-art fueling equipment that ensures the rockets are ready for their journeys into space. The development of Starbase and its associated infrastructure is crucial for supporting the increasing cadence of Starship test flights and future missions. Each test flight brings SpaceX one step closer to making space travel more accessible and routine, paving the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The work being done at Starbase is not just about building rockets, it's about building the future of humanity in space. Section 6. Reaching for the Stars' Impact on Future Missions. The advancements in hot staging and the ongoing developments at Starbase are integral to SpaceX's broader goals of making humanity a multiplanetary species. The enhanced performance and reusability of Starship pave the way for more ambitious and sustainable space exploration missions. Starship's increased payload capacity enables the transportation of significant cargo and crew to destinations like the Moon and Mars. This opens up possibilities for establishing permanent outposts, conducting scientific research, and utilizing resources beyond Earth. Section 7. Conclusion. A new era of space exploration. SpaceX's continuous innovation and relentless pursuit of progress are redefining the landscape of space exploration. The hot staging redesign and the ongoing developments at Starbase are testaments to the company's commitment to pushing technological boundaries. As Starship moves closer to operational readiness, we stand at the cusp of a new era of space exploration, one where the possibilities seem as limitless as the cosmos itself.